Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Nehan School F at Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my TEDx talk review, and my topic is Fear But Holds You Back by Zoya Nasir. So today I watched an inspiring TEDx talk titled Fear But Holds You Back by Zoya Nasir, and it delivered a very powerful message about overcoming fear and believing in ourselves. Fear is something every person experience. We fear failure, rejection, judgment, and uncertainty. Sometimes, sometimes these fears become so strong that they stop us from taking opportunities, following dreams, or expressing who we truly are. In this TEDx talk, Nasir explains that fear itself is not the real problem. The real problem is allowing fear to control our decisions. Many people stray inside their comfort zones because they are afraid of making mistakes, but growth only happens when we challenge ourselves and stop into the unknown. One of the strongest lessons from this talk is that failure should not be seen as weakness. Every successful person has faced setbacks and moments of doubt. What makes the difference is the courage to continue despite fear. Watching this talk on the TED platform reminds us that personal growth begins with self belief. Seeing both English and Urdu version make the message even more relatable and emotional for different audience. This talk also highlights the importance of confidence and authenticity. We often hide our true potential because we worry too much about what people will think. But when we stop seeking constant approval and start trusting ourselves, we unlock new possibilities in life. My biggest takeaway from this talk is simple, that fear will always exist, but courage is choosing to move forward anyway. So, viewers, this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you